Hi, I'm Beth Storz, Creative Process Designer and Facilitator at ITG, and I have an ITG UNLEASH story to tell you. We recently worked with a company in the nonprofit sector whose goal was to figure out more creative ways to engage their constituents. The training was twofold. One, to help them come up with more ways to think innovatively, and then secondly, to think about ways to make online meetings more engaging. We took them through a training where we used our behavioral innovation techniques to teach them about the cognitive biases that impede innovative thinking, and then provide tools and techniques to help address them to think more innovatively. We would show them what one of the biases were in a fun and creative way, and then teach them a tool that they could use. Then we would send them into breakout rooms where they could use the tool and demonstrate how it helped them to think more innovatively, and come back and share out. But throughout the entire session, we would stop and share our secrets for making online meetings more engaging. We have a lot of tools and techniques up our sleeve. Thanks for listening.